Welcome to the Golden Spear Homestead. Good morning, good day. Hey, happy weekend to you. Just wanted to check in with you guys this morning, give you a little update on where I am with the Sea Ray restoration. I started the engine teardown, so let's take a look and see what I found. I got pretty far in my process. I got the intake off, the heads off, so it's pretty much down to the block except the internals on the block. So let's go check it out and I'll show you what I found. So yeah, got the engine pretty much torn apart. Intakes off, heads off. One thing that I found when I got to this part is, I'll move around, you can kind of see those water ports got pretty clogged. But other than that, the block appears to be in pretty good condition. What my plan is, as you guys, in previous videos, I said that I was going to try to do this the cheapest way possible. Still want to do that, but there's just certain things I don't want to cut corners on. So what I'm going to end up doing with this block at this point, I'm hoping it's in good condition. I'm going to remove the engine from the boat, still going down that process. And then I'm just going to ship the block and the heads to a machine shop, have them go through it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and with God's blessing, everything is okay. And they'll machine it. They'll go through and clean the water jackets on the block and the head. They'll take it apart, the lower end, which is remove the pistons, remove the crank, remove the oil pan, the timing chain and the cam. They'll take all that out and they're gonna check all of that. And then they'll let me know the condition. So what I'm gonna do today is, I still have, I don't know if you can see, there's some lines back here. I just need to get all of that disconnected so that the engine block is ready to be removed. It's not a lot of work, but I want to get that so that when I do, I got a buddy that has a shop, and then I'm hoping that I can just take it over to a shop. Don't have to take a lot of time. We'll just hook a crane and lift it out. The reason why I can't do it here at my house, this boat sits up high, and even if I went and bought an engine hoist, it's still too high for me to lift it out of the boat. So I'm going to need some help doing that. Everybody, so today I'm out in Tolleson, Arizona at Global Auto Repair Shop. The shop right behind me. This is my mentor and good friend and shop owner of Global Auto Repair out here in Tolleson, Arizona. Hey, I gotta say this before we get started with the video. If you're looking for a good automotive repair shop, honest, fair pricing, and really good work, come here. Come here. This is where I send everybody. Again, this is my mentor. Today, the reason why I'm here is Vortec, my good friend, he helped me take the engine out of the boat. As you can see, we've already got the motor removed from the boat, which I am very excited. So now I can start doing the repairs that I need to do in here and get this bad boy ready for the lake. So the way that we removed the engine, Vortec used a forklift. We got the forklift, lifted the motor out, and we're up here in the shop right now. I just finished taking the bell housing and all of that stuff off, and we're getting ready to put it on an engine stand. Good. So this is my good buddy Vortec. Say hi, Vortec.
Hey.
So he's helping me take this engine out, and right now we're getting ready to put it on an engine stand. And then once I get it on the engine stand, I can do my thing. So he's even blessed me and allowing me to work on this motor here at his shop. He said that's the only way that he can get to see me, because he missed me.
That's right.
On the engine stand, I'm about to remove the harmonic balancer and the oil pan. I got it all stripped down, and I am seeing what I want to see. Everything on the inside is super clean. The cam is not scorned. Cylinder walls are not scorned, so I should be able to get this done. My buddy got over there is a sandblaster, so we'll take this thing next time. I'll take it all apart and get it sandblasted and start getting this rebuilt. So that's it. Got the engine out of the boat, got it all stripped down, and very happy with what I see. Until the next episode, that's going to do it. You guys have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you next time on the Golden Spear Homestead.